Hi everybody, I'm Brian Jones, the Sunday Carpenter. This isn't going to be one of my normal DIY woodworking projects. Hi everybody, today I'm melting warhammer sprues in acetone. If you're interested to see if that works just as much as I am, stick around for more. If you're looking for more woodworking videos and DIY projects, well, this might not be the video for you, but please check it out anyway, because I think you're going to like it. So in the summer of 2020, my friend got me hooked on wargaming, a game called Age of Sigmar. And I've got a whole lot of sprues left over. I saw another channel where a guy took his sprues and melted them down using acetone. I just want to see if that works, see if that's true. Will they actually melt in the acetone? How long does it take? I've already chopped up some sprues and put them in a glass jar. Now I'm just going to pour the acetone onto the sprues and see what happens. Acetone is pretty stinky stuff, so that's why I'm doing this outside. You can do this inside, just make sure you have the window open. So what I've got here is an old jam jar. I've taken these sprues, I've already got some in here. All you need to do is take some wire nippers in your sprue and just nip off a few bits. Fingernail polish remover should also work. My wife had some. I didn't want to use it all up, so I went and just got some of this at the hardware store. So you might want to wear gloves for this. There's a little bit more in there. Okay, now they're all pretty well covered. I'm going to let that sit for about an hour. I don't believe acetone is harmful for your skin, and like just little splashes here and there. But if you were going to be working with this a lot and doing this type of thing often, you should definitely wear gloves. The smell is also pretty strong, so make sure you do this outside or in a really well ventilated room. You can see I've got the acetone pretty much covering all of the plastic. Let's see how gooey it is. It's still pretty solid, but you can see it's getting gooey and stringy a little bit. I've let the sprues sit in the acetone for 24 hours. They've completely changed from sprues to goo. Let's take a look to see just how gooey this stuff turned out to be. Ooh. Wow. Cool. This is just an experiment, but I'm trying to make some extra shields like this. They're really tiny. Just pushed the shields into the play-doh, and now I'm going to push the sprue glue into these, and hopefully I'll get some little shields. Okay, so I'm just going to try to take this out and put it into here. Feels kind of like semi-chewed gum, but without the wetness or stickiness. This is just my first time trying this. If it doesn't work, I can try again. I'm not sure how good this play-doh is going to be for use as a mold, but I had a whole bunch. My kids don't play with it anymore, so I figured I might as well try some out. If it works, great. The sprue glue's been in here for 48 hours. It's hardened. So let's check to see if the play-doh actually worked as a mold. Yeah. No. As you can see, there's the faint outline of the shield shape, but there's really no detail whatsoever. So the play-doh did not work as a molding material. As for working with the acetone and getting this all gooey, that worked wonderful. Well, that didn't really work exactly as I had hoped. Melting my extra sprues down in acetone worked great, and I'm going to try that again. Using play-doh as a mold didn't work, so I need to find something else to try. But working with the melted sprues and the acetone was definitely a good idea, and if you want to try that, I do recommend it. It was really easy. If you got any ideas of what you want to try with your melted sprues, please let me know. I'm always looking for new stuff to try. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you liked the video. If you did, why don't you hit the like button and the subscribe button down below. That'd really help me out. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time. Today, we're melting sprues. No. I might go to the dollar store, see if I can find some other hard clays or like modeling clays that might work.